Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about few more questions based on chapter 2. Question number 1 is, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, the solution becomes milky due to formation of calcium carbonate, because calcium carbonate which is formed, it is insoluble in water, and that is why it gives milky appearance. Question number 2 is, when dilute HCl is added to solid sodium carbonate, it is observed that a brisk effervescence takes place. When dilute HCl, it reacts with solid sodium carbonate because of the formation of carbon dioxide. Question number 3 is, some fruits like mango, lemon, raw grapes, oranges, etc. have a sour taste due to the presence of citric acid, and I think this is well known to you. Question number 4 is, rain is called acid rain when its pH, actually pH is left here, so when its pH falls below 5.6, and I told you that this particular condition, it is very important, and this you will find in the topic pH in our everyday life. So uh, all the cases which is given in that topic pH in our everyday life, it is very important. Question number 5, an ant's sting can be treated with, which will neutralize the effect of the chemical injected by the ant's sting into our skin. So here you have to give actually one home remedy. One of the best home remedy is baking soda. As baking soda, it is slightly basic in nature, so it will neutralize the acid which is injected in our sting by ant's sting. Question number 6 is, in the following reaction, identify the salt formed. NH4OH plus H2SO4, it gives one salt plus H2O. Now see, NH4OH, it is a base, actually it is a weak base, and H2SO4, it's a strong acid, and we have already discussed how to form products in case of neutralization reaction. So here you have to form salt. So how to form salt? To form salt, we will take negative ion from acid and positive ion from base, and then we will combine, and you will be easily able to form salt. So here also you have to consider the valency of these ions. So for sulfate, the valency is -2, and for ammonium valency is +1. So you need to do cross multiplication, and then you will combine, you will get the answer. Question number 7, slaked lime reacts with chlorine to give bleaching powder. So please go through reactions which is there in bleaching powder, in baking soda, in washing soda, in plaster of Paris. All these reactions are very important. Now question number 8, copper sulfate crystals when heated strongly lose their water of crystallization to give anhydrous copper sulfate, accompanied by a change in color from blue to white. Question number 9, sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of a weak acid and strong base. How it is? Because the sodium carbonate, it is a salt. So how this salt has formed? This salt has formed from carbonic acid, which is a weak acid, and sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, and that is why the resultant salt which you will get, that will be basic salt. Question number 10, calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is basic. We have already discussed about this. Question number 11, we store silver chloride in dark colored bottle because it is this question is actually from chapter 1, but still I wanted to discuss, because it can be decomposed by the action of sunlight, and that is why it is stored in dark colored bottle. And we know that silver chloride and silver bromide, they are photosensitive in nature. Question number 12, at what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? So the temperature is very important, as I have already told you when we were discussing about this. So temperature is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. That is why calcium phosphate, it is basic in nature. Question number 14, the color of the gas evolved on heating solid lead nitrate is And we have also discussed one reaction, this is also from chapter 1, that when lead nitrate it is heated, so we are getting three products. In that, one of the product is nitrogen dioxide, which is evolved in the form of gas and its color is brown. So that is why the color of the gas evolved on heating solid lead nitrate is brown. Question number 15. Identify X, Y, Z in the following balanced reaction. As you can see that one reaction is given. This reaction is it is the same reaction which I was discussing in question number 14, that when solid lead nitrate it is heated, so you are getting three products. In that, one of the solid product is lead oxide, then nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. And in this one, nitrogen dioxide is brown in color, so when we will heat solid lead nitrate, we will observe that brown fumes will also come out of the test tube in which we are doing this experiment. So here what you have to do, you have to balance this reaction. You should be easily able to balance this reaction in very short time. Still, if you are having problem, if you can't do this, then you can take help. This same reaction it is given in chapter 1, so from there you will find it. So this is about some questions which I wanted to discuss from my side, which are important as well, and I think that you should be able to do this also. So for today only this much. Thank you.